Guys, it's literally already happening for Bitcoin, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly why Bitcoin is right now fueling up for the next big move to the upside. So in my last few videos I was telling you guys that we were probably not going to see any major moves in the next couple of weeks and that we were going to slowly grind to the upside. And guess what is currently happening? The last few daily candles have already closed a little bit to the upside, and right now we are literally grinding to the upside. And it's really clear right now that Bitcoin is literally ready for another move to the upside. Because the last few times this happened was right around this level, and we saw this small pump to the upside, then this dump, and then another massive pump. We saw it right here. We saw this massive pump after that slow grind to the upside, and we saw it also right here. So yes guys, Bitcoin is literally right now getting ready to touch $37,000, where I've already been talking about for so long right now. Literally, when this pump finally ended right here, I was literally telling you guys that Bitcoin was right now slowly going to grind up to the upside, and it's literally happening right now. We are only $2,000 away from 37k, and of course, that is right now where our next area of massive resistance is laying, because we can see right here that 37k is just a massive area of resistance, and that's why I think we are going to see something like this playing out for Bitcoin. We're simply going to grind a little bit up more to 36k, then we're going to get a random day where we're just simply going to shoot up to 37k, reach it, and then immediately come back down. And from that level, we are most likely going to create this massive consolidation area we are potentially going to trade in all the way till the Bitcoin halving. And of course, when we get a Bitcoin spot ETF, if we do decide to get that, then maybe something else will happen and we start creating a new consolidation phase right here, which we just don't know really what is going to happen with the spot Bitcoin ETFs. And that's why I don't want to include it right now in my analysis, because there's just a massive chance that it's going to get delayed and all those kind of things. If we don't get a Bitcoin spot ETF at all, then I'm expecting something for this to play out till the halving, and then we're going to shoot up. So yes guys, right now, Bitcoin is a little bit boring. If we look at this chart right here, we have simply not been moving much. We've been trading between $33,600 and to the top side 36k for a long time right now. But the most of the time we've been trading between around 35k and 34k, meaning that's only a $1,000 range, which is just not that high for Bitcoin, not that much, not much happening right now. However, something right now is actually brewing up for Bitcoin, because we can see that this level acted as massive resistance a lot of times right now, and we can see that here over the course of the weekend we finally flipped it into support, which is really bullish in my opinion, because right now we flipped massive resistance we have been creating into support, and right now we could potentially flip this into even more support, just bounce a little bit off it before going even further to the upside. Like I said, grinding to the upside. It's not going to be a straight line to the upside, it's probably going to be something like this, retest this and this, and then flip it to 37k. That's right now what is currently happening for Bitcoin. And that's a little bit more over on the weeklies, on a little bit more into the future. But if you want to right now know what's going to happen in the next couple of days, so you can maybe open some trades, then you need to listen up right now, because Bitcoin is right now creating a CME gap, a really small one actually, because we are right now closing the CME gap to $34,890. And we can see that Bitcoin is literally right now trading at $34,870. So only a $20 CME gap. It's so small. However, a few hours ago, after this small pump, just before that, we were actually creating quite a big CME gap. However, it seems like Bitcoin is already correcting that CME gap. So yeah, that was a quite obvious move. And right now, just for Bitcoin, we are slowly grinding up to the upside, and it's really obvious. The second we touch this line, you want to go short, and the second you touch this line, you want to simply go long. That's all you need to do to be profitable right now trading, because we are most likely going to keep trading within that level. And you can of course always copy this chart on your charts as well, because you can simply go short right here and long once we flipped it long. So right now it's actually quite a good time to long. For example, I would actually long this right now because we flipped it perfectly into support. What I will simply do is put my stop loss just under it with my take profit right here on the top side, meaning we are right now creating a trade of a risk to reward of 3, which of course really nice. So that's how I will trade this. If you want to trade yourself, it's quite easy. All you need to do is go to the first link in the description, and you can literally right now enter into a 1000 USD airdrop giveaway just for my community, where I can literally get some free money in order to start trading. We can see they are right now giving away 5 times 200 USD. Just follow the rules right here. And right now, if you want to make even more money trading, then you can also start trading altcoins, because we can say right now that some random altcoins are just exploding, and all you need to do is literally enter into a long position, never go short on altcoins. Altcoins you don't ever want to short, because an altcoin can only go down 100%, but it can go up 1000%. So I would always recommend going for shorts, for longs of course, and then you simply want to long on a pullback. We can see right now this coin has been in an uptrend all the way since the 22nd of October, and it's just been continuing to pump, and right now we are getting a first major rejection. We saw it also right here. So what you can simply do is wait till it gets to this area of support, and then you simply want to long it. It's most likely going to go up again. For example, the same is going on with TRB right now. Shit has been going up all the way since the 26th of August. We can see they had some small corrections, but in the end it has been always going up. So what I would simply do right now is, for example, I will wait till we reach this level again, and then you can maybe go for a long position, and that's how you can make a shitload of money in this market right now. Bitcoin is just really boring right now, and you don't want to trade it. If you do, of course, it's going to be short scalp trades, but the real money is right now being made in altcoins, which you can simply trade over on Bybit as well. First, second link in the description. That is all I have for you guys right now. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. We are right now growing insane, and we're almost at 500 subscribers, which is crazy. That being said, guys, I will see you in the next YouTube crypto video.